it's Margaret Boy, interview coach, helping you get hired, promoted and paid more. Over the last 13 years, I've helped hundreds of job seekers worldwide to get the jobs and promotions they wanted. I put up brand new videos on my YouTube channel a few times per month, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today I wanted to talk about how to become indispensable at work. Almost every office has one, that employee who's the go-to person and seems to know everything and everyone. The office can't run without them and nobody wants to think about what would happen if they ever left. How do you become such a critical part of the team? Of course you need to deliver results, work well in a team and communicate well, but that's obvious. But what else can you do? Let me give you a few tips in this video. Firstly, do your own review. You might get regular feedback and performance reviews from your supervisor, but it's also important that you do your own regular review to ensure that you stay on track with your own goals and expectations. Keep track of your accomplishments, training, projects, feedback, and overall numbers related to the job. We often think we remember these things, but it's very easy to forget pieces here and then. I would recommend that you keep a Google Doc with all of this information or just keep it on a Word document. It will also keep you ready for the next time you're up for a promotion. Secondly, track your metrics. As you set your new goals, look at the metrics that are going to matter and include them as part of your plan, whether it's bumping up the sales quota or improving efficiency. Companies value employees who are focused on finding ways to raise the performance bar. Do an alignment check. It's also a good idea to ensure that the areas that you are prioritizing in your career and development are consistent with what the company values. You might have a sense of what's important to the company, but it's essential to actually be clear that your efforts are moving initiatives forward that the company cares about. Speak up. Learning how to effectively communicate with your boss and team, including asking questions, ensuring that you fully understand assignment instructions, and asking questions when you don't, is essential to ensuring that you're performing in the best possible way for your company. Beyond that, ask for opportunities to get better. Be vocal to your boss about the fact that you're open to learning. Ask for opportunities to perhaps collaborate with another team, and if you see training that you think will help in your career, make a case for it. Show ownership. Ownership is absolutely essential to being invaluable, so take ownership of your work, whether it's a project assignment or even a simple spreadsheet. Think about it in terms of the bigger picture of the company and what its goals are. So think about what can you take ownership of in your work environment and treat your work as if you own the company and are acting in its best interest. And finally, make your boss look great. One of the most important things you can do to be indispensable to your boss is to help them excel. People value those who help them do their jobs better. Try to figure out what your boss is trying to achieve and see how you can help them achieve that goal. I hope that you found this video useful. If you liked it, please share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon on another video. Bye for now.